Our students have been using the iPad and the MacBooks as well as the Apple TV to connect with students and sisters in handmade schools in other parts of the world, right now specifically focusing on Peru. So they've been preparing using the iPad. They have been then connecting globally and speaking with our sisters and doing video conferencing with the sisters and the students. And then we've been able to show that to the whole class, not just on the MacBook, but on the Apple TV. And so that has been able to make that personal contact much more present and to feel that they're not necessarily on the other side of the world, but so much closer.
So we're having the students use Google Earth on their iPad devices to basically make them more familiar with the school and the area that they live in.
So as their religion teacher, I wanted to make sure that they understood that the lessons that they learn in religion class should extend and reach all aspects of their academic life. So this project shows them that. And for example, when they're developing their service project, very often science is going to be a very big role. But in order to know about who they're serving, they're going to need to know about the social studies aspect. And then from there, connect to their language and their language arts to know how to communicate their solutions with people around them. And then what's very important is that language barrier. So we went to Spanish in order to help them with those language skills to bridge that gap.
Right. And so the way that I kind of went about that was, since I'm not always able to be present during the actual conversations with the students from Peru, I used Canvas as a tool on the iPad devices to give them the resources and give them the practice that they would need for the conversations, in preparation for the conversations that they would have with the students.
And the purpose of this whole cross-curricular academic experience is that we wanted our students to embody and share with other handmade schools around the world the mission of the handmaids.
We have here at Ancillae, we follow the rice process and how well this project goes into the rice process, teaching our students how to be responsible, how to be interdependent, both here in the school and the school community, and then with other communities as well. Teaching our students how to be creative and empowering them to do for others, and therefore to be able to connect that giftedness with others who are also in need, to forming relationships that make that possible and also make that so meaningful. We feel that this project enhances and speaks so much to the mission of our school.